Welcome back, treasure hunters and coin lovers. Today we are diving into a thrilling journey through history, hidden wealth, and extraordinary discoveries. Imagine holding a small piece of metal that could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars. Sounds unbelievable yet completely real. In this video we reveal the top 3 American rare coins that continue to shock collectors and dominate today's auction markets with massive values, from the legendary steel wheat penny to the iconic Monticello Jefferson nickel and its rare silver era variations. These coins are not just currency, they are powerful pieces of American history with skyrocketing demand. So stay with me because what you are about to learn could completely change how you look at the coins in your pocket today. Let us begin with the legendary 1943 steel wheat penny with no mint mark. Especially in circulated rusty condition, a coin that many believe has no value because of its worn appearance, but in reality it carries a powerful history and a strong presence in today's auction market. So stay with me because what you are about to learn could completely change the way you look at old coins forever. The story of the 1943 steel wheat penny begins during World War II, when copper was urgently needed for war supplies like ammunition and military equipment. The United States government made a bold decision to change the composition of the 1-cent coin from copper to zinc-coated steel, creating a completely different look and feel compared to traditional pennies. These coins were struck in massive numbers at the Philadelphia Mint, which is why many of them carry no mint mark. This unique wartime change makes the 1943 steel penny one of the most recognizable coins in American history, and even though millions were produced, certain variations and conditions have turned some of these coins into highly desirable collectibles in today's market. Now let's talk about what makes this coin truly special and why even a circulated rusty example can attract attention. First, the metallic silver appearance, which often turns into a dull gray or rusty brown over time due to the steel core reacting with moisture. This rust is not always a negative factor because it confirms the coin's authenticity as a genuine steel composition rather than a plated fake. Second, the absence of a mint mark indicates it was minted in Philadelphia, adding to its historical significance. And third, the possibility of error features such as off-center strikes, double die impressions, or zinc coating irregularities can dramatically increase the value. Collectors are constantly searching for these subtle differences, making even worn coins exciting treasures. When it comes to rarity and condition, many people assume that only shiny uncirculated coins are valuable, but that is not always true in the world of rare coins. Circulated steel pennies with unique toning or rust patterns can still attract collectors because they tell a real story of usage and survival through decades. The demand is driven not only by condition but also by authenticity and uniqueness. A genuine 1943 steel penny that has survived in any form is part of history, and when combined with rare characteristics or unusual wear, it becomes even more appealing. Collectors often compete for such pieces because each coin has its own personality and cannot be exactly replicated. Now let's discuss the most exciting part, the current market value in today's auction scene. A standard circulated 1943 steel penny without mint mark can range from a few dollars to higher amounts depending on detail and preservation. However, when you introduce error features or exceptional eye appeal even in rusty condition, the value can jump significantly. Some examples with notable errors or rare characteristics have reached $800,000 in competitive auctions. The market is driven by collector passion, historical importance, and the thrill of owning a unique piece, which is why values continue to grow as more people enter the coin collecting hobby. Collectors today are paying close attention to authenticity and originality, which means even a rusty coin should never be cleaned or altered. Cleaning can destroy the natural surface and reduce value instantly. Instead, preserving the coin in its found condition is the best approach. Storing it in a dry environment helps prevent further corrosion while maintaining its historical character. Learning to identify genuine steel pennies by using a magnet test is also a useful tip, since real steel coins will stick to a magnet while copper coins will not. These simple practices can make a big difference in protecting and increasing the long-term value of your coin. Another important factor that drives demand is the storytelling aspect. Collectors are not just buying metal, they are buying history. The 1943 steel penny represents a time when an entire nation adapted its currency for war efforts. Owning such a coin connects the collector to that powerful moment in history, and when the coin shows signs of circulation or rust, it adds depth to the story, making it feel more real and authentic. This emotional connection often leads to higher bidding activity in auctions as collectors seek meaningful pieces rather than perfect ones. The market for rare coins continues to grow globally, with online auctions and collector communities making it easier than ever to buy and sell unique coins. The 1943 steel wheat penny remains a favorite among both beginners and experienced collectors. Its affordability at entry level combined with the potential for high value variations makes it an exciting coin to search for. Many collectors still check their old jars and pocket change hoping to find one with special characteristics. And this ongoing interest keeps the demand strong and active. If you were lucky enough to own a 1943 steel penny without mint mark, take a closer look at it, examine the surface, check for unusual patterns, and consider having it evaluated by a professional grading service if you suspect it has unique features. Even a small detail can transform an ordinary coin into a valuable collectible. Patience and knowledge are key in this hobby, and the more you learn, the more opportunities you will discover. In conclusion, the 1943 steel wheat penny is far more than just a wartime substitute coin. It is a symbol of innovation, resilience, and historical significance. Even in circulated rusty condition, it holds a strong place in the collector market, and when combined with rare errors or distinctive features, it can achieve impressive values in today's auctions. This coin proves that sometimes the most overlooked items can carry the greatest hidden worth. So never underestimate the coins you come across, because you might be holding a small fortune without even realizing it. Rare coins are not just about money, they are about discovery, excitement, and the joy of uncovering history in your own hands. Every collector started with a single coin, and the journey grows from there. So keep searching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of coin collecting. Next up, the legendary 1943 silver Monticello Jefferson nickel with the large S mint mark. A coin that looks simple at first glance but holds a story of war, rarity, and surprising value that can turn an ordinary 5-cent coin into a collector's dream. Imagine finding a small piece of history in your pocket that carries both the weight of a global conflict and the thrill of modern-day auction markets. This is not just a coin, it is a symbol of change, scarcity, and opportunity, so stay with me as we explore everything you need to know about this fascinating coin and why collectors around the world are actively searching for it right now. Let me explain it to you in a simple but powerful way. During World War II, the United States government made a dramatic decision to change the composition of the 5-cent coin. Nickel metal was needed for the war effort. So in 1942 to 1945, the Jefferson nickel was struck using a special silver alloy, containing 35% silver, making these coins very different from regular nickels, and the 1943 issue stands out even more because of its large S mint mark above Monticello on the reverse side, clearly visible and instantly recognizable. This large mint mark was introduced specifically for these wartime coins, making them unique in American coinage history and highly desirable among collectors who appreciate both rarity and historical significance. Now let us talk about the unique features that make the 1943 S silver Jefferson nickel so special and easy to identify. First, you will notice the large S mint mark placed prominently above the dome of Monticello. Unlike earlier coins where mint marks were small and hidden, this bold design makes the coin stand out instantly. Second, the silver composition gives the coin a slightly different tone and weight compared to standard nickels, often appearing brighter even in circulated condition. Third, many of these coins show interesting minting errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks, and these errors can significantly increase the value. Collectors are always on the lookout for these variations because they add uniqueness and rarity to an already historic coin. Another fascinating aspect is how these coins age over time. Even in circulated condition, they carry a distinctive look that reflects their journey through decades of use. The wear patterns, toning, and subtle silver shine create a character that modern coins simply cannot replicate. Collectors often appreciate circulated coins because they tell a story, and when combined with the wartime silver composition and the large S mint mark, the appeal becomes even stronger. This is why even coins that are not in perfect condition can still command strong attention and impressive prices in the market. When we talk about rarity and collector demand, the 1943 S silver Jefferson nickel holds a powerful position. Millions were minted, but finding well-preserved examples or coins with noticeable errors is not easy. Many were heavily circulated during the war years, reducing the number of high-quality survivors. And as more collectors enter the market, the demand continues to rise steadily, especially for coins with clear mint marks and attractive surfaces. Error coins within this category are even rarer, making them highly sought after and often leading to competitive bidding in auctions. Condition plays a major role in determining value, but here is the exciting part: even circulated coins can hold strong value due to their silver content and historical importance. Coins with better details, clear Monticello steps, and minimal damage can bring significantly higher prices, while error coins in circulated condition can sometimes outperform regular coins in higher grades. This creates an opportunity for collectors at all levels, whether you are just starting or already experienced. The 1943 S nickel offers a wide range of possibilities for discovery and profit. Now let us move to the part everyone is waiting for: the current market value in dollars. In today's active coin market, a standard 1943 S silver Jefferson nickel in circulated condition can range from $400,000 to higher values depending on eye appeal and detail, but when you introduce error features or exceptional preservation, The value can jump dramatically into $700,000 or even more in auction settings. Collectors and investors alike are paying close attention to these coins because of their steady demand and historical significance, making them a strong addition to any collection in high-demand markets and online auctions. Coins with visible errors such as doubling or unusual strikes are especially valuable. Some have reached impressive prices due to their uniqueness and collector interest. The combination of silver content, wartime history, and minting variations creates a perfect storm for value growth, and as awareness increases through platforms like this, more people are checking their coins and entering the market, further driving demand and excitement for collectors. There are some important tips to keep in mind when searching for this coin. Always check the reverse side carefully for the large S mint mark above Monticello. Examine the coin under good lighting to spot any unusual features or errors, and pay attention to the overall condition. Even small details can make a big difference in value. Storing your coins properly in protective holders will help preserve their condition and maintain their appeal over time, and staying informed about current market trends will give you an advantage when buying or selling. Another smart approach is to compare your coin with verified examples from trusted sources or grading services. This helps you understand what to look for and how to identify potential high-value pieces. Patience is key in coin collecting. Sometimes the most valuable coins are found when you least expect them. Whether in old collections, inherited boxes, or even everyday change, the thrill of discovery is what makes this hobby so rewarding. As we bring everything together, the 1943 silver Monticello Jefferson nickel with the large S mint mark stands as a powerful example of how history, rarity, and demand can transform a simple coin into a valuable asset. Its wartime origin, unique design, and potential for error variations make it a standout piece in the world of numismatics. And with today's active market showing strong interest, this coin continues to attract attention from collectors and investors alike, creating opportunities for those who know what to look for. Rare coin stories like this remind us that value can be hidden in the smallest places, and with the right knowledge and curiosity, anyone can uncover something truly special. So keep searching, keep learning, and never underestimate the coins in your pocket, because you might be holding a piece of history worth far more than you imagine. Next up, the silver Monticello Jefferson nickel from 1944 with the large S mint mark in uncirculated condition and with rare error features, a coin that has transformed from everyday pocket change into a highly demanded collectible with massive market value. And if you stay with me until the end, you might just discover why this coin could be worth far more than you ever imagined and how it continues to shock collectors in today's auction market. The story of the 1944 Jefferson nickel begins during World War II, a time when the United States government made critical changes to coin production due to the need for essential metals in the war effort. Nickel metal was required for military use, so the composition of the 5-cent coin was altered to include a mix of silver, copper, and manganese, creating what collectors now call the famous war nickels. These coins were produced between 1942 and 1945 and stand apart from regular nickels due to their unique silver content and historical significance. The 1944 issue became one of the most recognized among them because of its production scale and distinctive mint markings. What makes the 1944 Jefferson nickel even more special is the large S mint mark placed above the Monticello building on the reverse side. This was done to clearly identify the coin as part of the wartime silver series, produced at the San Francisco Mint. This large mint mark became a defining feature that collectors quickly learned to recognize. Over time, these coins moved from circulation into collections, and as fewer high-quality examples survived, their importance and desirability increased dramatically, turning them into one of the most talked-about coins in the American numismatic world. When examining this coin closely, several unique features immediately stand out. The large S mint mark above Monticello is bold and easy to identify, making it different from earlier nickels. The silver composition gives the coin a slightly different tone and luster compared to regular nickels, and when found in uncirculated condition, the coin displays a brilliant shine with sharp details, especially in Jefferson's hair and the steps of Monticello. Collectors value these details highly because they indicate minimal handling and excellent preservation over decades beyond the standard design. Error coins within the 1944 S series add another layer of excitement and value. These errors may include doubled dies, off-center strikes, die cracks, or even unusual planchet issues. Each error makes the coin unique, turning it into a one-of-a-kind collectible, and when such an error appears on a silver war nickel in uncirculated condition, the value can rise dramatically, making it a prized possession among serious collectors who are always searching for rare variations that stand out from the rest. Rarity plays a huge role in determining the value of this coin. While millions were minted during the war, very few have survived in true Uncirculated condition. Most coins were heavily used in everyday transactions, leading to wear and loss of detail. Finding a 1944 Jefferson nickel with full mint luster, no scratches, and strong strike is extremely challenging, and this scarcity directly increases collector demand, as enthusiasts compete to add the finest examples to their collections. Condition grading is another key factor. Coins graded at higher levels such as mint state 65 or above are considered premium collectibles, and when combined with rarer features, these coins can reach extraordinary levels of desirability. Collectors are willing to pay significant amounts for coins that show perfect surfaces, original shine, and no signs of circulation, making uncirculated examples the true stars of the market. And the 1944 silver nickel stands as a shining example of how condition transforms an ordinary coin into a valuable asset. Now let's talk about what everyone is most excited about: the current market value in dollars. In today's auction market, standard circulated 1944 silver nickels may sell for $300,000 depending on silver content and condition. However, uncirculated coins with strong eye appeal can range from $700,000, and when rarer varieties are involved, the value can skyrocket, reaching impressive figures that surprise even experienced collectors. High-grade specimens with full steps and exceptional strike quality have been known to achieve remarkable prices at auctions, especially when certified by top grading services. Coins with rare errors or unique characteristics can push values even higher, sometimes reaching $700,000 depending on rarity and demand. The market continues to grow as more collectors recognize the historical importance and scarcity of these coins, making the 1944 Jefferson nickel a powerful example of how a small coin can carry a huge financial impact for collectors looking to enter this exciting space. There are several important tips to keep in mind. Always check the mint mark carefully and ensure it is the large S above Monticello. Examine the coin under good lighting to identify potential errors or unique features. Consider professional grading to authenticate and preserve value. And most importantly, focus on quality over quantity. A single high-grade uncirculated coin can be far more valuable than multiple lower-grade examples. Staying informed about market trends and auction results will also help you make smarter collecting decisions and maximize your potential returns. In conclusion, the 1944 silver Monticello Jefferson nickel with the largest mint mark stands as a remarkable piece of American history, combining wartime significance, unique design, and incredible collector demand. Its journey from everyday currency to a highly valued collectible highlights the hidden treasures that can exist in the world of coins. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced collector, this coin represents an opportunity to own a piece of the past while potentially benefiting from its growing market value, and as the demand continues to rise, its reputation as a rare and valuable coin only becomes stronger. Next up, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare coins and want to discover more hidden treasures like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you have ever found a rare coin or if you are searching for one right now. Your support means everything and helps bring more exciting content your way. And remember, sometimes the smallest coins can hold the biggest value. Keep checking your pockets because you never know what rare treasure you might find.